Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Verida token. Ticker symbol is VDA. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting May 16th. This is a token on the Polygon blockchain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Verida is a multi-chain protocol for interoperable database storage and messaging built on decentralized identity where personal data is owned and controlled by users. Users are incentivized to unlock their data stored on centralized platforms. Builders access this data for new exciting use cases such as trusted storage, decentralized messaging, and single sign-on. Users' private data can be used as inputs into smart contracts, enabling connectivity to multiple blockchains. So you can actually download the Verida wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. They do have links to that on their webpage, verida.network. If you go over there, you're going to find a Learn section. It says Learn about Verida Network, use cases, credentials, demos, white paper, data security, storage node providers. There's a Develop section, missions, ecosystem. If you click on ecosystem, you'll see that they have the wallet, Verida 1, Network Explorer. So they have their own Explorer. Then you can also click on Near, Polygon, Apps, whole ecosystem, roadmap, news articles, media, team, branding, VDA token, airdrops, etc. So, about the token. Now, the token is, you can find it on Polygon Scan. It says 9 holders. It's not really available anywhere yet. This is a brand new token here. 18 decimal places. Max total supply, it says, is 1 billion VDA tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed May 16th, 12 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on May 16th, go into the trade section and search VDA and then get the token. So that is one way to get the token. Around the same time, since this is on the Polygon blockchain, this token will also go over to DEXs eventually. Quickswap is where you can get Polygon tokens, Uniswap. So if Gate is not available in your country, you could wait for it to get listed on Quickswap and then fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Polygon. Go into the dApps, find Quickswap, and then trade your Matic for the VDA token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Now, how the token is split up. We got 20% of the tokens going to the Verida DAO, 20% going to network growth rewards, 15.4% going to the community reserve, 3.5% going to storage credits, 20% core team and project development, 15.1% foundational supporters, and 6% to token launch and liquidity. So it says VDA is the native utility token for the Verida network. The Verida network is the first decentralized database network for owning, storing, and controlling private data. Verida is the private data storage layer for self-sovereign data economy. So the VDA token serves to coordinate resources in the network. VDA creates a data economy enabling secure interactions between accounts to facilitate secure data storage, trusted sharing, fast querying, and trusted messaging. The network rewards storage node operators who stake VDA and supply storage capacity. And end users who bring their data onto the network, users can pay for their own storage needs in VDA. Applications may also pay for storage on behalf of their users. So it's got a fixed supply, it says. It's a utility token. Now, it's got the storage credits. So tokens for the public sale of storage credits to end Verida community users and node operators. They have the token launch, so liquid tokens will be used for the purposes of initial market making and liquidity provision. Although these tokens will be circulating, the liquidity strategy for these tokens is to maintain a neutral token balance over time. Now, they have here the mainnet token. They also have the testnet token. So 2 different addresses that you could find on their webpage, verida.network. They also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put up here as usual, at verida_IO. But they also have a Telegram, Medium, YouTube, LinkedIn, Discord, and you can also subscribe to a newsletter. So it also says here that you can develop with Verida. You can use Verida with our demo applications. You can try Verida with an interactive tutorial. You can implement Verida Connect in your application. You can add additional capabilities, including data storage and messaging using the client SDK. You can join the developer community on Discord. You can learn about Verida, understand how the Verida network works by reading the entire white paper, or you could read information about self-sovereign data storage, messaging, or decentralized identity, DIDs. On their document section, you can find concepts, tutorials, client SDK, Verida Connect SDK, infrastructure, extensions, extra, glossary. You click on those, they'll take you to even more headings. There's just an insane amount of information that you could read about this project, and they're getting this brand new central exchange listing on Gate, so go check that out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.